Trading the markets requires discipline, strategy, and finely honed skills. Traders are up against the best and brightest Wall Street has to offer. At TraderInsight.com, you can look over the shoulder of one of America's top traders. Join Dr. Adrian Manz and a cast of highly talented traders as they earn their living navigating the markets, one stock at a time, one trade at a time. TraderInsight.com. Strategy, discipline, results.
I'm here with Adrian Manz of TraderInsight.com. Adrian, welcome.
Hey, thanks, Tim. Good to be here.
So what patterns are you focused on right now toward here at the end of the year?
Mostly volatility-based stuff. My methodology is pretty cyclical, focuses on market cycles and then rides patterns right alongside the market cycles. So we've got a tremendous volatility expansion. So I've got a setup called Fastball that we've done a bunch of stuff with Traders Expo on over the years. People can view that online through the moneyshow.com. We've also got reversal patterns, reversals off bottoms that are pulling back and then sort of anticipating the volatility that'll come on the heels of those reversals.
So this Fastball.
Yeah.
Talk about that. What exactly is it?
Range expansion of range, expansion of volume. I'm looking for basically a 2-week high or low on expanded range. That's the widest range of the past 2 weeks, widest volume of the past 2 weeks, and then I'll go through and pick it apart. I look at the tape from the previous day. I'll look at the open book since I'm trading New York Stock Exchange stuff mostly, and I want to see what kind of market action, what kind of price action there was going into the close. And then based on that, we try to anticipate whether there's going to be further selling the next day or whether we're looking at the possibility for a reversal setup where we might see a drift in the opposite direction.
Why New York stocks specifically?
I've just always been there, I guess. It's when we started trading, the NASDAQ was sort of the crazy place to trade. You were looking for a lot of market action. You were looking to hammer in and out of positions. What we were looking for was something that allowed us to trade more like a swing trader would, but in an intraday time frame so that we wouldn't have to go home with stock overnight. And the New York stuff, I usually get 50 to 70 cents out of a trade per share, whereas a lot of my friends who will trade, they're still trading NASDAQ stuff, and they're looking to make a dime, make a nickel, and just do it over and over and over. We'll do 3 or 4 trades a day, and that's it. They're round trips, and they'll be on the whole trading session.
And this kind of scans that you're running to find stocks that meet those criteria of that Fastball,
Right.
how, is it computerized for you, or are you just looking at charts?
No, I flip through 1,100, 1,200 charts a night, but I do it in it's not that big a deal, right? I mean, it takes about an hour to get through them, and what that gives me then is I get a good feel for what the broader market's doing. I get a good feel for which sectors are on the move. I get a good feel for what stocks are on the move, and I can sort of cherry pick the trades. Whereas if I give a piece of software the instruction, it's gonna spew out a list of stuff, but I'm not going to have a good feel for why it happened.
Adrian, thanks for your time.
Thank you.
You're watching the moneyshow.com video network.